This code generates and produces the figures in the paper titled Multi-User Subcarrier Number Modulation-based OFDM System for Future Wireless Communication Networks Orthogonal Frequency Division Multiplexing with Subcarrier Number Modulation OFDM-SNM, has recently been proposed as an effective transmission method that can transmit additional data bits by exploiting the number of subcarriers in each subblock. This results in improved robustness in terms of spectral efficiency and reliability. However, one of the main drawbacks of OFDM-SNM is that not all the available subcarriers are deployed to transmit data, as some of these subcarriers remain inactive. In order to eliminate this problem and make use of all the available subcarriers, multi-user OFDM-SNM is proposed in this paper for serving multiple users by dedicating the subcarriers used for implementing SNM to serve a far user, whereas the remaining subcarriers are used to send data for a near user. In this paper, the concept of multi-user OFDM-SNM is established on the basis of conventional OFDM over a Rayleigh fading channel. The validity of the system is proven by exhibiting both theoretical analysis and computer simulations. The obtained results show that the proposed multi-user OFDM-SNM is a strong candidate for the future 6G and beyond technologies, and it can satisfy the requirements of multi-user cases of future wireless systems demanding higher reliability and better spectral efficiency. The main contributions of the proposed scheme can be summarized as follows. 1. The proposed transmission technique results in obtaining high spectral efficiency and low BER by avoiding the waste of subcarriers that remain inactive during the operation of OFDM-SNM and creates an opportunity to make use of those inactive subcarriers by another user. 2. Since OFDM-IM dictates the indices of the active subcarriers to transmit additional data bits, it suffers from the inability to make the selection of the subcarriers to be channel dependent, as the selected subcarriers' indices are purely data dependent. However, in OFDM-SNM, the selection of the active subcarriers can be operated by the number of subcarriers, which indicates the data dependency, and also these active subcarriers can be chosen from those subcarriers that have the highest channel capacity. Thus the proposed scheme can operate the transmission in a state being both channel and data dependent at the same time. 3. The proposed multi-user scheme can also be adapted to the other OFDM-based modulation techniques such as OFDM-IM, OFDM-SPM, and OFDM with subcarrier gap modulation OFDM-SGM. 38. Since all these schemes are suffering from the same drawback, which is not deploying all the available subcarriers to transmit data, as some of these subcarriers remain inactive and lead to a waste of spectrum.